Recently, I got a chance to visit Sai Radha Beach Resort to attend a function. Beautiful beach, clear water. The beach is decently maintained. Welcome to Sri Krishna Kitchen. Friends, today I am preparing mouth-watering, tasty kingfish pickle. Kingfish pickle can be stored in the refrigerator for 1 year. Ingredients used here are 2 kg kingfish. This is medium sized kingfish. Added salt and turmeric powder. Quarter kg garlic cloves. Cleaned and sliced into lengthwise. Quarter kg ginger, cleaned and sliced into small pieces. 150 gram green chilies sliced. 1/3 teaspoon mustard seed. Quarter teaspoon fenugreek seed. To fry all these ingredients, I am using gingerly oil. This is an edible oil. Now, let's see how to prepare. In the beginning, we have to separate the flesh from the thorn. Take out the thorn. Remove thorn from the flesh. Slice the fish into small pieces. Kingfish meat has been removed from the thorn. Now let us fry it. Heat the kadai. Add cooking gingerly oil into it. Heat the oil. Oil is hot. Let us add kingfish pieces into it and fry the pieces. It's already been fried. While transferring to the plate, it has to make sound like this. It should be very crispy. Let us continue the process with the remaining kingfish pieces. Finally, all the kingfish pieces have been fried. Let it cool completely and separate the pieces. Make the flame low. Next round, let us add garlic cloves. Let us fry garlic for a few minutes. Make the flame on medium. Fry it till the raw smell goes. Add ginger pieces. Fried fish pieces are cool. Let us separate this. Very crispy. Friends, please remember, before frying, add only salt and turmeric and marinate for a few minutes. Don't fry the garlic and ginger till golden brown. Now let us add green chilies. Mix well. Fry till the raw smell goes. Let me transfer the fried fish pieces into the bigger bowl so that I can mix all the other ingredients easily. Green chilies, garlic and ginger are done. Make the flame low. Add half teaspoon salt. We can adjust the salt later. Now keep the flame on low. Add 2 teaspoon red chili powder and mix well. It shouldn't get burnt. Just stir fry. Let us put off the gas and transfer this to the mixing bowl. Ingredients already been mixed with the fried fish pieces. Let it cool completely. Meanwhile, heat the pan. Make the flame on low. Roast mustard seed and fenugreek seed. Mustard and fenugreek seed roasted well. Remove it from the fire and let it cool for some time. Mixed ingredients already been cooled. Let us add a 4 teaspoon vinegar. Mix well. Add powdered roasted mustard seed and fenugreek seed. 2 teaspoon sugar. Mix well. Add ingredients fried oil into it. Check the taste. Add half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Close it and keep it for tomorrow. If there is no sourness, you can add more vinegar. Tasty, mouth-watering kingfish pickle is ready. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe to this channel